Hey you guys, God bless all of you. Thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors. Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make campfire coffee. Guys, campfire coffee is one of the best coffees that once you've drunk this stuff made outdoors like the hobos make it, guys, you can make it in a tin can or you can make it in a little old coffee pot like I'm doing right here. But once you make this coffee outdoors and boil it the way I'm going to show you guys, this coffee is the smoothest coffee you'll ever drink. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to do it. Now guys, this little bitty coffee pot, I've measured it out to 6 cups of coffee, and you add 2 tablespoons of coffee, ground coffee, to every one of your cups of coffee. Now I've already got this stuff measured for the speed of this video, but what you do is you bring your water up to a simmer. And I've had that simmering there for a few minutes, so we dump that coffee right in there. Now we'll set that right over the fire. And we'll let that stuff come to a rolling boil. When it comes to a rolling boil, you guys, we'll let it cook there for maybe 2 minutes at a rolling boil. Then we'll set it back off to the side. And we'll pour just a little bit of cold water in it. Now I've got a little thing right here to measure the cold water. And that's what makes this coffee really good, you guys. The grounds will sink to the bottom. And you'll never taste a better, smoother cup of coffee than what's made like the hobos make it. Like I say, you can measure it up and do it in a cup just like this, or a tin can if that's all you got. But just put your coffee in there, bring your water to a boil. Let it boil there really good for about 2 minutes. Set it aside. Let the ground sink. In a little old bitty can, you won't need to put no cold water in it, but in this big pot, I will make it cool down just a little bit and then ground sink. So that's the way you make this particular type of coffee, guys. My grandmother used to make this stuff, and my mother made this stuff on the stove for years and years and years. And I drank the stuff, but I never could make it like them. But then I decided that I'd, when I got married, I decided I'd try to go ahead and make the stuff. So I would make the stuff, guys, for, shoot, maybe I'd make like 20 cups a day after I learned how to make this good coffee right here. Stuff's almost boiling, okay, you guys? You get them bee-annies over there good? Oh yeah, it's come to a rolling boil. So I'll let that boil like that, you guys, for about 2 minutes. Just want the stuff at a rolling, bubbly boil, not boiling it completely out of your pot. I bought this little old pot right here, guys, at a 5 and dime store for $3.50. And I noticed that the person who used it before me, they let their coffee boil plumb out of the spout. They overfilled the thing, so they didn't know what they was doing. So, man, Maxwell House Coffee, guys. I love Maxwell House Coffee. I'll say that. They're not paying me to say it, but my wife will tell you that I can tell the smell of Maxwell House Coffee cooking. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take a half, not even a half a cup of water, cold ice cold water, and dump it right in the pot. The grounds will settle to the bottom. About 5 minutes, I'll show you the best cup of coffee you ever drank in your life. Woo-wee. I tell you what, you guys, I'm telling you what, this right here, that coffee's really nice and hot. And not bitter. Guys, the reason coffee's bitter is because if you don't boil the acid out of the coffee, your coffee will be bitter. I mean, a drip, drip, drip coffee pot just drips water through your grounds. It don't boil the grounds. And that's a fast way to do it. And, you know, and I'm not against that kind of stuff. But once you drink outdoor coffee like I make it right here over the campfire, I'll guarantee you'll always want to do this for your friends at home, on the heating stove, or wherever you can make it. Camping, best coffee you can drink. My goodness, Maxwell House, good to the last drop. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And eat your heart out, Uncle Sasquatch. Have a nice day.